So we're here na sa dragon fruit plantation. So we're inside the plantation. So as you can see, I'm in a series of dragon fruit plants. It's really amazing. This is the plantation. So this is the plantation here sa dragon fruit. We're going to go in here in a few. So let's see. Pwede na dito mo backing din heyo.
Pwede na itong backing. Inig, uli lang sir, kuha lang yan.
Oo.
Pwede na kayo sir.
Kabantay na nade koan. Pwede na di siya mo backing din he. Asa mi mo bayad? Hello. Pwede na, yapil lang ako tanan ha. Hello everyone, this is Erik the Hungry Traveler, and we are in the dragon fruit plantation here in Liloan Cebu. So guys, we're already in the dragon fruit plantation. So this is just really very near sa among place. This is just, I guess, 2 kilometers or less than 2 kilometers from where we live. So we'll try to go sa center sa dragon fruit plantation. Ouch. Okay. And you'd be amazed na naadi siya inani here sa Cebu. So turning it back. Aray! Ow! Okay, kita. So you have to be very careful lang kay the dragon fruit has some spikes in it. So if you can see, naadjay distance ang each plant for people to pass, pero because of how lengthy the stem ba niya, I don't think these are leaves, but do correct me if I'm wrong. It would actually sometimes hit you, so you have to be very careful because makasamad siya. You can get hurt. So essentially what you can do here is you can have your picture taken, and then cool, spider, and then you can try their shake. They actually make dragon fruit shake, so that's something that we will be trying or testing. Even if you end their empanadas, we'll see if lami bay lang empanadas. So that's about it. See you guys. Bye. Sige, koan, pila may mga hurot anyways? So duha lang. So koan miss, pila man? 5 lang 6 lang kabuok miss na empanada. Sige, okay, at least mas maayo. Oo. Primordial ni inihang mga food ba miss kaning
sa una sir katong tusog pa in season pa na siya additional cake na
amo ba? Akon sa di ang tig season ani mga summer no. Balik pero the same ra gyapon yung prices by that time.
Oo, the same rate.
Sige, thank you.
May sobra na akong shake sa
Sige. Naara man siguro, wait lang ha.
Hakdi lang ko ay na kan. 40 lang.
Ala, sorry. 1, 2, 3. There are okay, sorry.
Naami siya may sir.
Ah,
Siopaw.
nasa display ko. Ikaw wes, ngayon ka? Kanilang ka? Sige, thank you. Ganito yun. Sige. Alright, sige, sige. Thank you. Salamat. Sa Luis be. Mas milky siya, no? Di man jud noon sad. Pero siya butong. Siya butong ang iyang kuan. So getting here, you have to have your own private vehicle because there aren't any public vehicles that would pass here. Although you can actually rent like a motorcycle. There are people who could bring you to this place. It's not that far from the main road, pero the road is quite narrow and it's semi-paved. So there might be challenges when you head here. So, but it's not that it's not that lisod. And then yeah, what you can do here is you can have your picture taken. Here's a dragon fruit plantation. You can be at the center of the plantation and just take some pictures. And you can also try their dragon fruit shake, their empanadas, and they also have other food offerings like their siomai, siopaw, and 𝒚𝒐𝒂𝒏𝒈. But we tried their empanadas, we tried their dragon fruit shake. The dragon fruit shake tastes like buko juice or coconut juice. Anyways, thank you for watching. This has been Eric the Hungry Traveler. Please do subscribe to my channel and also add me up on my social media accounts. That's Eric the Hungry Traveler on both Facebook and Instagram. And visit my website at www.ericthehungrytraveler.com. Till the next adventures, guys. Bye.